Most of them artists that were robbed, you know. God bless the few that seen success because our music was raped, you know what I mean? Robbed, Jamaica. Because who should I look out for it? Although things take time for implementing a society when certain things just break away. But the government could have protect our music with, you know, creative rights and, you know what I mean, material. Yes, so John, I just set away. So hear the genius, sir. Gully rider. Gully, where you went and come from? Gully, where you went and come from? Gully, where you went and come from? Gully, not jump on. We about bad. Yeah, people, so we'll find the original Gully Rido soundtrack. You see what I say? Yeah, man, it's tough. Long time I hear the real original. Cause you see, if we not continue to listen to the original, we'll get lost to these photocopier. Those are the days. So we're going at the Gully right now. You see me? Like, whoa, watch ya now. Pull it up. Gully. Bend down low. Bend down low. Gully, bend down low. Gully, make you bend down low. Gully rider. Gully rider. Bend down low. Gully, make you bend down low. Gully, if you pop it, you gonna hit. Gully, if you pop it, you gonna hit. Gully, if you pop it, you gonna hit. Gully, oh, Gully. I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you seeing. Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Exploitation. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give me a bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a act off in a frog of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, list PSP, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frog of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frog of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, one half of the Pepsi. So we make the sound. The black beverage. Pepsi are for black people. Yeah. So the universe, I'm talk more about the mainstream devil them. The industry players who move the pawns, who use the Mosquito them as the pawn. Now genius is more valuable to the mainstream devil them, you know. Cause as I explained to you in the Mosquito Gully music video we upload last night, I explained to you say that Mosquito, there is something behind him being favorable by the music industry, knowing that he's not all that talented. You know what I mean? I'm take the longest for boss. Him had the tour toss a dancehall. And him can't beat the ear. The ear are alkaline. You see me? And them want alkaline to be here to the throne. But him can't be here to the throne. Him have to go back home and stay alone. Yes. Cause alkaline are the here. And the pussy them want him here to the throne. See? But Kartel make it clear, say, Mosquito and Alka for buckle out them thing and go make them own legacy. Cause Mother and Kartel don't make them legacy. See? And Kartel can't be no mainstream favorable artist. Vybz Kartel has always been the main danger for the mainstream devil them. He has always been the main danger. The trouble. You know, the main protagonist. While they're the main arch-evil nemesis. Kartel have the most enemies still, you know, throughout the dance hall, you know. And I say, you know, him a God people. You know, if you can see through the thing, you know, and him never get once defeated. A God people, you know. I saw you mark God people, you know. I true no found and I read in the Bible. Make you no feel for identify real God people. But they are amongst the sinners them. You see what I say? Now a little insight with the mainstream devil. Now Mosquito is nowhere as powerful as Genius when it comes to being in that circle of the mainstream devil them who run the music industry. We are talking about even Andrew Holness where you see here. And I tell you last night, said the mainstream devil them, that them beg Genius for do this. And them plan work perfectly. Because this is the result them want. And maybe Andrew not part of it, you know, but them put Andrew for go co-sign it. Because this is a big industry player move. And them up move the pan. Let me tell you see, Crash Dummy no reach up there in at the big corporate level like Genius. You see what Genius got touch one Ilang Gully and a prime minister it reach. And we see the prime minister and Mosquito take picture. Cause what do you the prime minister in our Vybz to take picture with everybody. So they take picture with Sizzler, take picture with Mosquito. So you don't feel like say the prime minister linking with Mosquito in another picture there is the same respect where you see the prime minister a promote and a co-sign Genius Ilangoli Riddim. You know what he say? Him never talk much about this. Him never say nothing about Mosquito song. And at this, yo, me say the internet have beat Nico, but him dance, you know, I'm glad say everybody see say the fool dance. People see say Nico dance, but them are fixing my road, you know, him are make the wrong people, them are the right people, them see my road. And I'm carrying my eye, you know, notice. Anytime Nico go live, him then I back I'm yard hide, and then I'm car hide. You see me I say? Him not do it like we are walk on road. and them thing there. You see how me I walk on road and vlog, all if you look on the video where I post the most and some man, see? If you look on the video there, you'll see. Say me there road I walk. Them man they not do that. Cause I'm no one will see him. Waste boy Nico with him shine to blood clot. That shine the well one get touch, you know. But you don't even know open the head for see if him have talent. Cause I'm not no sense, you know. Yeah man. But say Mosquito sang Slip and Slide. Nobody even talk about Slip and Slide. Nobody even talk about the title I'm sang. A Ilang Gully are the title. Everybody a talk about. Therefore, at the Riddim make everybody just so affected by the whole traditional and cultural vibes of the Ilang Gully ride or Riddim bring. That's why the Prime Minister for co-sign it and the whole corporate for probably them put up Andrew to it. Because they must say, Andrew, this is one of our thing them, you know, we have to make a co-sign this. So I saw the devil them work, you understand? No, Mosquito is a little baby when it compared to the genius in the circle of the mainstream devil them. Because as I tell you, them should have co-signed the WYFL. Because remember, I know the Ilang Gully rhythm is a staple, a part of our culture, and it's historical value and everything make it what it is. See? So we need, like all them move here from the Prime Minister now for support even the WYFL rhythm. Because if you check WYFL rhythm on this, you know, see, I may tell you, them is like them choose the genius over Crash Dummy them. The corporate. You know what I say? But Crash Dummy them and DJ Mac, they're getting there. They're going up in the corporate line. You know what I say? Yeah, but I just know for them time for them get close to the Prime Minister a certain way. And you know what I mean? Like, 'cause there's levels to this, you know, man. You have to understand, you know. And I tell you, know, last night, but in the Mosquito thing there when I post that on YouTube. Right now, the Mosquito Ilang Gully music video with my vlog and review, it I upload right now as we speak on Instagram. See what I say? So, and I just go on with the faith. So, I hope say this proof to you know, say all what I tell you know is right. Because I tell you know just last night, I tell you say everything what I tell you know, the universe just bring out something for back up my claim them, you see me? And show proof of the truth. You see me? You see Andrew Holness and Wicked, you know. Hear the rhythm, yeah. Hear the rhythm. Rhythm tough, you know. For boss a freestyle, you know. I swear the rhythm tough. I can listen to the rhythm. You see mad from the percussion there, you know, dog. Yo. Yeah, the man ever have that introduction like right before you're touching at the start of the rhythm. Yeah. Ilangoli. Ilangoli. Yo, imagine something new to it, you know, different from make we look up how the old Ilangoli rider thing go. You see me as a Jaja no. I'm doing the drop off hold up. I can see how the real Ilangoli sound. I can see how the real Ilangoli sound. Ilangoli, when you bend down low for the Ilangoli, it's a dance, you know. Long time Jamaican make the dance for that. Where you go down and come up. You have to be a hill in the dance, and you have to be the gully. So when you be the gully, you go down low and swoop your hand. You see enough Jamaican do the dance. I know if you do it, you know. I have one of your foot them a drag at the back like you cripple. You know what I mean? I saw the Ilangoli dance go. I'm gonna find the original, the hot and spicy barbecue. Alright, hold on there. I could say how much changes have Stevie the Genius had applied on the instrument for it to sound. You get what I say? We'll get caught up with these makeover version. You know what I mean? But you have to remember that the original is what matters the most. You see me? So I'm gonna play a Genius one again for you know. And for all those with a good ears, you can hear the difference, especially if you're not a producer, for those producers like Chamba, big up Chamba and Bad, you know. So quick the man get the link with Kartel, cause the man upload him skills and get in, the man just say, oh, Kartel, more and Ray, and you see me? Yeah, so very important to have the skill or something for bring forth to the people them, for help the world, for become better and unite as one. That's why everybody for turn vlogger. Take up them phone and talk about the things them we are bad at them. You see what I say? So we can look into what trouble you, and if what is troubling you is one of our bad habits, then we can say, all right, our bad habits affect people. You see what I say? Because you have a lot of people go to daytime, morning time, during, whenever, and them have some really bad habits what them bring to the streets, and them not really care about how it affect people, you know what I mean? So that's one reason, one valid reason why everyone should vlog, because this world, we all have to communicate, share our problems, and we can move forward from there, you know? So don't be afraid to vlog, you see me? And talk your mind, talk the truthful way how you feel. Don't be afraid to say a bad mind if you're bad mind, because that will help you. That is a start to change. You get me I say? That already is a start to change, to admit your flaws. You get me I say? Yeah, man, right now we have a book I write about all our flaws so people can get, and we are look for see it reach #1 bestseller, you see me? So we have a lot of things where we are prepared for, you see me? So I hope you stay for. Yeah, so we're gonna play the Genius Rhythm, and you're gonna hear the original Mentor sound. I think it's Mentor. Yeah, Mentor, the original Hill and Gully beat track is a Mentor sort of genre. You know what I mean? Yeah, those were the older version. The Mentor them are some old man now, The Mentor, the Skia, the Rocksteady. Rocksteady are probably I go about 80 of the year old, You see what I say? 60, 70 of the year old. I'll Skia older than it, Skia about 90 of the year old. You see me? Yeah, man. The music, they all, but them a living being. They're alive. They're still playing today. You get me I say? The genre that was created yesteryear is still here with us today. I'm gonna prove it too now. So hear the Genius, sir. Ilangoli Rider. Hilangoli, where you went down come from? Hilangoli, where you went down come from? Hilangoli, where you went down come from? Hilangoli, now jump on. We are both bad. Hilangoli. Yeah. So that is Steve the Genius, Hill and Gully. It sound, may I tell you, Genius is very talented. He's still a genius, He still is a genius. So tell the boy, Waste boy, Nico, I don't even like fever ref, I don't even like fear of the boy that I'm a thought. You know what I mean? Him just disgusting, just look at him. You know what I mean? It's painful for just think about that like a dancers, mad boy there. Him need for their Bellevue. Him family need for get some Milo off him. You see what I say? Yeah, so what you know? I'm not talk about Mosquito influence cause Riddim for take off. He might discredit Genius and don't even know it. The man named Genius. Mosquito don't have nothing to do with him fool. Him not say the Prime Minister make sure co-sign the Riddim. Nothing about Mosquito song no get co-sign. The Riddim. You see me I say? Alright, make a read this thing and before we play the real Ilangoli. And we're gonna play about the Genius so we can have a hearing or a chance to hear the difference and the similarities and what make Genius beat so special now for affect Jamaica land we love. You see me? We know say the YFL rip up foreign, but I not see this, I not see that Riddim I do like the YFL Riddim. You see what I say? Hopefully, the Riddim can do what the YFL do, like get some international acts in love and shoot music video. Like how we see Fabulous, Remy Ma, we see NLE Chopper, bag of new artists worldwide attack the YFL Riddim. That's why that Riddim they should have co-signed. And then maybe the next 70, 60, 50 years, we can have them blurt not producer they were alive, them generation they in the next 50 years can beat over black the WYFL and know say our generation that forward from. You see me I say? But them probably make it better than we 50 years from now. A joke. Me not think say I'm mad. As a matter of fact, 50 years from now, the elites, the wicked governing body of this world and them 13 family, they're seeking to get rid of music totally, fully. So the future we're seeing is silence. Just like Demolition Man. Go watch Demolition Man. Zin? Yeah, and you'll see the future, what them plan and all them intend to do. So we soon have to stop arguing with one another because loud sound, you see the abatement act where them bring in already from the early 2000s for stop the sound and the party them for lock off from a certain hours. That is just the beginning because it will get way more serious where you can't even argue in the streets. If you get fine and argue, you're going to get a fine. So don't make them fine or not argue. Because you're going to get a fine and then the penalty are going to just increase the more we go into the future till the place are going to become one world of silence. You're going to wonder if them kill all the wheel them and them big creatures that will normally make some loud sound. The place are going to just silent. I see it, believe it. Because them want to kill music, and music is very powerful, and music is alive. You get me? I say it's a breathing energy that flows, and that it has its purpose, like its duty. It has its duty to fill the hearts of mankind and make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye land, for his name's sake. Come before his presence with gladness. You see what I say? So, I could play the original Ilang Gully when no found no know. We never hear yet, and if you no hear, we not even register it in our brain for no say a hit. It's an everlasting hit. You know, say it's a sound when me grew up never like still, cause as I say in a previous video, say when me I grew up as a youth, the Sunday music them, no, Sunday was the most boring day as a little juvenile. Cause you're not hear no wild dancehall, you're not hear no she's a maniac, where the greatest Richie Stevens sing with Bunty. And you're not hear none of them Vybz song there. You're not hear no General Degree on Sunday. I be a Ken Booth, you hear Gregory Isaac, Barry Sammons, and them type of artists they play regular on Sunday. So me never like Sunday as a little youth. Me love Saturday to Saturday me love from Monday to Saturday. But Sunday, the worst day as a child for me. The most boring day. You see me say? Not even my homework I want to take up bad people. You see me? Sometimes on Sunday I would take up my homework. You know, when you wait till the last minute for do your big homework. I remember say on Friday you get the big homework them, you know. Cause teacher knows so we have weekend. So them piling up with homework. Me, never wait till Sunday for say me I do it. And I don't do it. I must say 3 times out of 6 years at kindergarten school, me do homework on Sunday. Every Monday me I go back to school, not homework. Sometimes I the morning me I do my homework at school and I hope so the teacher come late. You see me and try fully. And some I used to do my weekend homework. Me usually do my weekend homework then when we reach back at school Monday. I wait till the teacher, I'll pray so the teacher come late. Cause you have some Monday where the teacher them come late still, you know. And you say yes. And you have some Monday where the teacher them don't even remember, them don't even plan or intend for ask about no homework. And the Friday before that, you know, them tell you say, make sure I'm coming. And I saw our teacher used to always have boots and a scare we, you know. A boots you up with fear and a scare we. But make sure you have all on homework completed and read. And me say, yo, John was star, I can't take the homework thing cause all in my head when me see like all after when lunchtime done Friday, you know, you just know say yes, weekend a start, you go home, go ramp and cartoon, all type of tune and all type of ramping there on white brain. Those are the days. So we're going at the Ilang Gully right now, you see me? Like, whoa, watch you now. Pull it up. Ilangole, 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 Ilangole.
Ilangoli, better bend down low. Ilangoli, bend down low. Ilangoli, Ilangoli, bend down low. Ilangoli, make you bend down low. Ilangoli, Ilangoli, rider. Ilangoli, rider. Ilangoli, rider. Ilangoli, bend down low. Ilangoli, make you bend down low. Ilangoli, if you come to the Ghana hill. Ilangoli, if you come to the Ghana hill. Ilangoli, if you come to the Ghana hill. Ilangoli, oh Ilangoli, 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 Ilangoli.
Ilangole. Banana. Telling me banana. Y'all telling me banana. Come 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 telling me banana. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Come telling me banana. Come telling me banana. 9 feet. 9 feet up. 9 feet up. She said 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 9 feet up. Me get some nice feel up. 9 feet up. 9 feet up. 9 feet up. Rider. Yes, so if you notice them song, yeah, you might think say, yo, them artists yeah, are just a chorus, them sing pan the rhythm and rich. Well, them never used to rich, you know. A few of them would have earn a bit. But most of them artists were robbed, you know. God bless the few that seen success because our music was raped, graped, you know what I mean, robbed, Jamaica. Because who should I look out for it? Although things take time for implementing a society when certain things just break away. But them the government them could have protect our music with creative rights and you know what I mean material. Yes, so John, it just set away. But enough work them artists they have to do, because most of them artists you might see it as them just doing a one chorus and where them repeat. Because if you notice on that song, them just say, Ilangoli, bend down low, Ilangoli. And then them give it a break, and then further down in the rhythm, you hear them say it again. And it was a hit, it was a success. But yet still, these men had to focus on playing instruments, because these instruments was the thing. And them artists nowadays can't play the instrument. You see me I say? We hear Sizzla talk about it today. So I'm going to play a little more of this, so you hear it, and then we'll play about the genius. You see me? And read what them say Angel think about that rhythm, co-signing that rhythm. You see me? Watch out. Hold on. You see that? You see that? Alright, so we're gonna play the genius right away. So you hear the difference. Because to me, the Ilan Gully track here, it kinda lack one substance for make it sound bold. You know, but I just saw whatever played this music was just old. But you know, it worked. But when you put them music, you know, on the new system, them kick, trump and bass. You see me? It look like it's some different man they make do that sound there. It look like genius cause a different sound. Them sound similar, but you can tell if you have a good ears, you can tell. So the man will say Ilangoli Rido, you know, the genius sound different from the man where thing there. You know, the original, you see it. So you have to have a good ears like me or a better one. Indeed. Watch this. I play about that man from the original. Watch this. This is the Vice. So you see, this was done by a band, a group of musicians that had forward together in performing the original. You know what I mean? Just like as me I tell you, say be a musician, you have to know to play the instrument as well as, you know, work your vocals them. You see what I say? So they had to simultaneously be focusing on playing the instrument and singing. So when you hear them sing, a different thing. No, despite them just repeating the chorus, you know, and it hit and we enjoy it. Because the rhythm is a hit sound and the chorus what them sing is a hit sound. And that is what them artists are lack now and the producer them. As I tell you, them producer, we're not about genius now, but them producer, you know, them now forget the thing, perfected. You know, perfected. Get the rhythm mad. Get me I say? And make sure so the artists them sing bad. Because some producer for do like what them used to do. If them now feel artists them sing, or and other people tell them say, yo, this not cut it. You know say it not cut it. You see me I say? So when producer do them thing, they know, you know, reject some artists song, you know. That gonna make the artists them want forward with them A game now, you know. Yes, some of them are cuss and say the producer boy the bad mind, but that have to go on. Because people nowadays we are living in a cancer culture where everything is a problem to people. When you do the right thing, is me you have to just do the right thing till them understand. You can't give in to them. Don't feel sorry for them and say, boy, through him a cuss and I go on, I just give him the rhythm and no, him never cut it. So that will make them work hard enough to try to reach that mark, you know, so them know say yeah, bring an A game. You see me? So you hear the vocal, the man them pan genius and the man them pan the original different. See it? This is just a single man. Hey, don't be surprised, when you find out, say, is a little artist, is an artist, me not say little, but don't be surprised when you find out all 5 years later, or 10 years later, when Genius ready for reveal who lay down the vocal track on the track there. You see me, the man who said the Ilan Gully on the Riddim. A good little genius, I swear to God, you stay there and no genius. A good little genius do that part there. Ilan Gully right on. And that me I sure say, any artist can change the projection and the flow, the sound, the melody, the aerial of their voice when them a sing. But Mosquito time trapped within this one sounding flow where him just don't know how to get out tight. It's like somebody trapped in a loop. You ever watch a movie there where the people them wake up in the morning and the same thing happen and them try to change the next day, but at the same thing because them trapped in this loop and every morning are the same. You know what I mean? Just like all the movie with the youth we say we wish for be an adult. I think him wish to be 30 years old when him did almost 13. You know what I mean? And him wake up being this big adult and him trapped in that loop every day. Him a wake up till him want to go back to being a kid. And it was hard for him to find out how to go back to being a kid. Can him try make the wish, but it's just that because him gonna make the wish right upon the time when there was a shooting star, you know what I mean, or falling star, whatever y'all call it. I think it's shooting star. Shooting stars. I wanna be in China, China. Airplanes in the night skies like shooting stars. I wanna wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah, I could use a wish right now. I could use a bitch right now. I could get the firearm with the switch right now. Trust me, it won't stick right now. Boy getting licked right now. Taking his lock and his yacht and his stash to the bitch right now. I'm living from poor, going up more. Trying to be rich right now. Everything in my size like. Yeah. So make a read out this now. Wait, say. So the caption, this post was liked by Super Hype. Uptown! Security! I'ma need security. Alright, what it say? I can see what it say. It says Steve McGregor, Ilan Gully, Riddim taking the nation by Sean Storm, now reaching as far as Andrew Holness, who appears to be locked in as a supporter of the buzzing juggling. So you see what I say, the buzzing juggling. Andrew Holness is a fan of the entire juggling. The governor, the Mosquito, and whosoever already dep on the juggling. So we are going to vice pan it, see me a joke. We not vice pan it. Because you don't know what Gaza me say. You see me? And Kartel no dead, we not dead. You see me? Yeah, oneness. We not for vice pan them mentor thing. You see me I say? Yeah. We not for vice pan it. But we do a hard bombard song pan it. You see me I say? Yeah. And guess what go on now? If me I go do a song pan Riddim, it have a big up Kartel. You see me? Just like you remember when Kartel and Genius them they just stop linking. You see what I say? That's why at them craft I tell you say Kartel usually pulling out the world member him. I said Genius and Kartel stop links, see? And then Movada go drop the big song on the Genius Riddim about man a long distance to la, man a long distance to la, no feed pampula, man a long distance to la. Man a long distance to la, and change over. Man a long distance to la, man a long distance to la. Me love them gyal. Man a long distance to la, man a long distance to la. Gyal a ball, you drop like a picture on a wall. Long distance to la, no we no style. You get it? Yeah. Some of other song them did a ABC still, you see me? And through everybody I go hype about it. And Movada did for use him vocals in that. Him just a DJ, you see me? But through Movada did hot and at that trick enough artists. You see me? Because hear enough artists think now, them mindset is that when you boss one song, then everything every other song I go take off. You know, have to build them good like your first song we boss. And that yak start goodly pre, you know, because enough little artists near talks, enough people are road, you know, because them things say when an artist bust, then every song bad. No, that's why them a get cussed today and them never get cussed yesterday. Because them song did actually bad. They had consistency with lyrics and nice song. All if it not hit, it was a radio friendly song where I get enough radio spin. It was a song where the music lovers them love. So that's why hit is not really hit, you know. You see from the people them love your song, no care what Billboard no care or no matter how Billboard want to judge your song or rate your song. You see, from your song, I make girl dash with them soap. I mash up all them clothes and them 30,000 Brazilian here, them 30,000 dresser, them 30,000 fridge. You get me as in the dance or anywhere them live where the cartel them are play and you see them just dash with all them soup or them just buy for all $1,000 and them just have a broke out. A regular me see the girl them just broke out a cartel song play. Girl just buy her soup and dash it away and just broke out. And I must say, Bumbo Clark, my Stacy make you go on, so. And she said, no, you know, say my song that I I'm just very a long time, you know what I mean? So them thing they are the real powers. That's why I say all Natty King. I forgot I don't really want to drown out this, you know, but enough things to talk about, you see me? So voilà, I will skip. Because Natty King, but I'm afraid of competition and I tell people say I'm soft. Say a clown. Andrew Holness, the genius, Ilan Gully, Riddim, instrumental. No farm a Mosquito name na there. So tell Nico to go beard and go get sense. I wanna bring him a Bellevue fast. That's sure.